isang awit ng Pilipinas.
Okay, may I request to remain standing for the Saudi National Team.
Mr. Rolly Alana, our guests from the Marano Brothers, led by Dato Untay Abdul. I saw also Brother Abdullah Nakamud there, who is my former colleague in the bank. Different members of the different organizations who make this night possible for us. In fact, I think Sir Marco here also. And the other leaders who are here, Dr. Sami Mangkaw, I saw him there. Our guests also. Other guests, but I am sorry to mention your name because this is our first encounter. Maybe next time, inshallah. May bangsa Maguindanao, may bangsa Iranon, and may bangsa Maranao. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Puno-puno ako ng kasiyahan sapagkat nakikita ko po kayo na dumating sa okasyon na ito. Dati-dati ito ay isang parang laruan lang. Yung salitang, pwede ba natin gawin ito? Pwede ba natin gawin ito? But because of the leadership of our sister, Madam Rax Dato-Galilano, siya po ang nag-work out para maging possible ang
Idol Festival, no less than Akira.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Rahma Batu Kali. Wala siguro. Assalamualaikum